Welcome back to TechnoYes. In this video, I am going to show you how you can, if app has not been installed due to packet conflict. For this conflict, we go to settings or directly select the application have this problem, for example Messenger, and go to this icon. We can see so many options, but our interest is storage. In storage we can see clear cache. Clear cache have so many dots, and clear data, all of this application data will be deleted permanently. This includes all files, settings, account, database, and delete. Okay, now you go to Play Store application, enter the name of the application and an app and update. It's very quick and simple, and if you have again conflict, you can write the system. And that's all, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more content with us.